A very good evening to everyone. This whole month has been a month full of experiences, full of learning, and a group management that has definitely helped us add up to our skills. So the students of VIT Bhopal, were offered a great internship by the MP Police and by Dr. Maithili Charan Gupta, who is the Special DGP Police Reforms. He is present with us today. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
And today we will be having a review for all the hard work that the groups have done. So first of all, we'll be starting with group number 16. We have Adhira and Sagar representing their group.
Thank you so much, Ayushi. Thank you so much, sir, from me and from mine and Sagar's side. Sir, what we have decided that I'll be giving the introduction and the conclusion of what we have done, and Sagar will be showing you the app which we have developed in 1 month. Sir,
Okay.
can I start?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, really thank you for the opportunity you have given us. So, like in the starting, you had given us a task to do the surveys. So what we learned from those surveys was that with the evolution of the technology, people of our Madhya Pradesh, of our state Madhya Pradesh, are getting more involved with the internet than it was ever before. In this digital world, what we think is that online presence has become very important from doing online shopping to booking tickets. Everything is done online, and then why not take our police organization to another level and make them online too and make them go through this transformation. So police apps and websites, what we thought, like what we got to know from the service, that was police apps and websites could be a great idea to disseminate the information and help them connect with the citizens of the state, because there are many areas of our country where still the police has not got their hands in, got into their hands. And sir, with going with that, if we roam around the internet and go through our databases of different countries, many countries and states around the globe are now taking more forward leap to mankind, to protect their citizens by going online. Therefore, our app name is My Police, and so we have made thought of building this app that would be made for people residing in our state, because I think it starts from our home first, and giving the citizens of Madhya Pradesh the benefits of avoiding long police station procedures and getting back to their work done on time. Because what we feel is that most of the people who don't want to go to police is just because of the long procedures and everything. And so do I also need to discuss the key features of our app? Sir, am I audible? Hello? So you're on
Yes,
mute. Yeah.
proceed further. Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Adhira,
So
you have nicely narrated the whole background. Now I will request you to kindly go ahead with the concept and to where you are, and then later you can even make a presentation on your app. And since each app is basically meant for a particular community, so you have to
yes,
specify
sir.
which app you are talking, because
Okay,
what
sir.
we did, we have divided the app into the thousands of app. One app is
Yes, sir.
addressing only a one niche community. So your app must be addressing for that particular niche community. You must mention which niche community you are attempting.
Okay, sir. Sir, so we are. So just a second. Yeah, sir. So we are here. So what our main niche needs of the group are that we have to promote security, safety, extended needs, the other needs present being served by variety of apps. Our main thing is that we have to make SOS, like reporting of SOS and emergencies, crimes or
Please hold
events.
on. Adira, please hold on. Sir is having some issues. He has disconnected. Please hold for a while.
Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, sir, so our app
Yeah, I'm
is
very much
basically.
in. There was some interruption. I request.
Sir. So, sir, so our main key area where we have to like focus upon is like reporting of the emergencies and SOS, crimes, and getting tasks for the volunteers and the observers, which you talked about in the last meeting. Reporting, mapping up with the larger picture, receiving transferable promotion, and generating of performance index. So that's what our main field is.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, so after going through all of these like key points, we have decided that our app, the My Police app, would be dedicated to ensure the safety of our fellow citizens all around the state of Madhya Pradesh. Basically, we want to build a bridge between the people and the police through this app. The main purpose, which is gonna fall under this app, is that we are gonna allow the police people to communicate freely and make them aware of the system. Yes, sir.
I want to make a point over here. Whatever we are doing, it is not having limited to the state of Madhya Pradesh, because we have come out with a concept, the crime-free India. So our
Yes, sir.
experimentation may be for, say, in a state of Madhya Pradesh, but vision will always be for whole India.
Yes, sir.
That's why when later we have to talk the multilingual, we have to talk about the other languages. So our apps will become the multilingual app. One will be English and other will be a local language. So it may be Malayalam, it may be Tamil or whatever, I mean Telugu or whatever it is. So
Yes, sir.
in back of our mind, we have to keep in mind that we are not talking of the Madhya Pradesh, we are talking of India, we are talking of Bharat. Madhya Pradesh is our testing ground for the
Yes, sir.
pilot project. I would like to tell you the third review of National Police Mission on Crime Free India has been scheduled for the 5th of June next month. So it is already a recognized National Police Mission by the government of India, and we are working on that. Right? So this
Yes,
is just to clear or bring some clarity in your mindset that we are not working for, say, with a limited perspective of a state. Our perspective is over whole India, and with that mindset we are working.
Yes, sir. So what we mainly think of that we should start from our home state itself and then spread it all over India, or
Correct.
maybe someday all over the globe if we like move forward.
Correct. Right. Rightly so.
Yes,
Rightly
sir.
so.
Yes, sir. So this is our like main motive, and so that was the introduction. Should we start with the presentation of the app?
Yeah. Please go ahead with that.
Okay. Sagar, you can take over and share your screen.
Yeah, sir. I am just going to share my screen, sir. So actually, sir, it's a mobile app, so that's why, sir, the location, I think it will not be working. So, sir, can you see my screen?
Not yet. You can whether you are getting the sharing option.
Sir, oh, wait, sir, can you see this?
No, nothing is coming on streaming panel.
Sir, I
Are you
don't know.
getting that? Are you getting uploading your screen?
Yes, sir. I started the uploading, and it's saying it's sharing a window. But sir, I don't know if, sir, you can see it on.
Say the moment it will come in broadcast, it will occupy a window in our streaming panel. So it will be visible to you. It will be visible to Globe.
Okay, sir.
So it means your streaming has not at started. But are you getting that option when you can upload your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please go ahead with that.
Actually, sir, I cannot show you this thing, but sir, I am going to just narrate what is there in the app, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
But
streaming.
But if it is up streaming, it is allowing, then you should have been in position to do that. I think. I don't know. Okay. So till you are successful in bringing it on screen, I suggest you please cover it by description.
Okay, sir. So, sir, our apps just start with a splash screen. So it says our app logo. So can you see this?
Yeah, it has come. Great.
Yes, sir. So, sir,
So I can welcome.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
This is our main login screen, sir, of our app. Sir, as you are a new user, so you need to sign up with our app. So, sir, this is a sign up screen. Sir, if you go and enter your name, sir, I am entering my name only. Sir, I entered my name, and sir, I am going to enter like fictional email address. So that's why I can just sign in my app. Sir, I need to enter my phone number.
Okay.
And sir, last you need to enter a password. So I'm just like entering a small password so that I don't need to cover up a lot of meeting time.
Here I will keep on adding the moment you are
Yes,
writing
sir.
your mobile number. If it
Yes,
is
sir.
from your app, so that your mobile number should not automatically come number one. If at all we have to feed our mobile number, let
Yes,
it
sir.
be also the same like a coded dot dot dot. So let
Okay,
it
sir.
not be visible to the others. Second observation. Third
Yes, sir.
observation, I will say that there should be OTP.
Okay, sir.
So all mobile application must be जो है ना एक reconfirmation with the OTP. So OTP feature, and in future we will be making the biometrics also part of our security feature.
Okay, sir.
So what I will suggest that biometrics may not be activated, but feature could be incorporated.
Okay, sir.
It is making the sense to you? Say it will be having the biometric feature without being activated, right? So it can be kept as a dormant, but the feature could be planned from the beginning. So that
Okay.
will give you little practice that these features could be made available as a security feature with your mobile app.
Okay, sir. So, sir,
Great.
should I continue?
Yeah, sure.
So, sir, when you click on sign up, you are directed to a screen known as this. This is merely for your SOS emergencies. So, you need to enter at least 3 numbers. You can enter more than 3, but you need to at least enter 3 numbers. So, I'm just going to enter any of my 3 phone mobile numbers so that when you press on the SOS button, it's going to send all the SMSs to everyone.
This should not be mandatory for very simple reason. If you are an adult and if you don't want that it should go to your parents or anybody, this cannot be a mandatory feature. It should be an optional feature. If you wish, then you can have the 3 people. They may be your parents, maybe your friend, maybe your kith and kin, whomsoever you want. Let it be an adult considerate choice on their part. Let's not force them what they should do. Let them make their own adult choice. Number one. Number two, the second, it will be going to the police. That will be for certain.
Yes, sir. So, sir, should I continue?
Yeah.
Sir, I need to go through this step to enter my home page. So, sir, I should enter 3 numbers here. Sir, I am going to enter only 1 number so that just for the quickness of the.
You can show it, but this observation which I am making, that you have to make it part of our programming. So the front end programming has to be accordingly modified, because why you should force an adult to give the 3 number minimum. So if he feels that he would like to say, or the person would like to inform the parents, then they can do that. If they want to inform their friends, that is doable. If they want to inform their kith and kin, so let the conscious choice should be made by them, whom they would like to inform. Number one, and obviously police will be certainly would be informed, because it is one of the security feature. So that police or system should come to know what is happening, and they should be in position to provide you the required support.
Okay, sir. So can I continue?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so I'm entering the number.
Mr. Praveen is now on the streaming panel. So I will request the Adhira to welcome your guide, and then thereafter Sagar will continue. Adhira.
Good evening, sir. We welcome you to the streaming panel, in which we are reviewing our app.
Good evening. Please carry on, and best of luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Sagar, you can take over.
Okay, sir. When you click on the add button, so it adds the number. And sir, if you don't want to add any more numbers, so just like it was slow. So I will submit. Click on submit button. So it will direct us to the main page. So this is our main page. So these are different options. So you can check your location. So lost and found report. And sir, it's scrolling. Sir, if teasing traffic challan online, SOS emergency, and sir, you can also check on verification. Sir, yes, sir. The verification and reservation. So these are the main features we are added on the app. So we can also.
एक minute.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am making very serious observation at the point. Please listen it carefully. And this observation is valid for all the community app, right? Number one, these support system or icons should be arranged in 3 different parts. First part is related to your security, because ultimately it is a police app which is guaranteeing you a sort of a response when you are in a emergency situation. So SOS button is mandatory. It has to be on the top.
Okay, sir.
Thereafter, you want to report something, right?
Yes, sir.
We would like to take this reporting to almost like recording of the FIR. So
Yes, sir.
in first version, you can just say it is a reporting, and then in next version, we have to integrate the features like date and time and location stamping, encryption, and protecting it with the hash value or the blockchain technology. Number one. Number two, it has to allow to capture the photograph along with the location. Obviously, photograph always have the location, so photograph will be with location, and it will be again get encrypted. The second level of the identity. And third level of the identity would be putting your signature, and signature can be put up by making use of the screen of the mobile itself. And again, this signature will be encrypted then and there. So it is not uploading of an image. It is capturing of the live optical signature from your screen, and that will also be logged with the date and time stamp. It means you cannot use the optical signature available elsewhere in any digital file, and that cannot be uploaded. That is the security feature we are providing. Then the fourth layer of the digital identity will be through the UTP, OTP linked from the Aadhaar number. So, because this fourth one would only be possible if the person is having the Aadhaar number and he is having the mobile number, and mobile number is linked to the Aadhaar number, and then he is getting OTP and OTP is registered. For the sake of the legal formality, when you put your optical signature, and that optical signature is also not a uploaded signature. It is a direct capturing of the optical signature from screen, and it is getting encrypted, and it is getting logged with the hash value then and there. It means it will become something infallible, indisputable signature of the victim. That need to be done, because unless we do that, it will not be legally acceptable in court of law. Then whatever you are a complaint you are capturing, that complaint would go to the panel, or it will be landing on the desktop of Thana Prabhari through the CCTNS. For that, we are making use of one API, that is the Citizen Portal API. So Citizen Portal is having API which is linked to the CCTNS system. We will be making use of that bridge to go to the CCTNS. So through that on the CCTNS, it will be landing on the desktop of the Thana Prabhari, and there Thana Prabhari will put his digital signature in the same way, right? As we have just spoken. So he will do in the similar way. The moment he will put his signatures, it will become a full-fledged FIR, and then an FIR can be pushed to the complainant back through his app. So that will become a formal FIR for him. This is one, right? Second would be something about SOS call. SOS call की बात कर ली है, FIR की बात कर ली है. Now we will like our community people, if they are observing anything positive or anything negative, the person may not be victim, but he should be in position to push that information for the positive reinforcement or reward, or negative reinforcement, some kind of the penalty or disapproval. It will reduce the level of frustration. अभी क्या होता है, हमारे चारों तरफ कुछ भी अच्छा बुरा होता रहता है, and we don't know how to or to whom to should be communicated, so that we are not in position to encourage positive tendency, we are not in position to discourage negative tendency. So this is one of the purpose which we would be having the incorporating over here, that general observation should be pushed. Now these community people, they are enjoying three status. Number one, either they are observer, or they are volunteer, or they are stakeholder. Now I will explain, listen very carefully, what is the difference between the three. Observer is a person who is using his five senses and capturing information and passing information on the task given to the person. This is the one of the very important feature of observer. Volunteer would be having little additionality. The moment somebody is registered as a volunteer, it means he is ready for some physical activity also. In that case, he will be armed, he will be given certain amount of the training also, number one. Number two, he will be armed with the feature of the special police officer, so that he will have legal protection when he is intervening with some situation, because he would be physically intervening. Third person is the stakeholder. Stakeholder means he is a stakeholder to his own security. So when he or his kith and kin or somebody is involved, he can use that information to push it to us. Clear? So this third is called tasking. For all your activity which you are doing, there will be back-end evaluation. We need to evaluate activity. So a performance grade of that volunteer or observer would be always on the top of the screen. That reflect that how sincere or good volunteer or observer is he, right? Or she. I mean, he or she does not mean, legally when you say he, it means she as well, right? So, as and when any situation is available, the system will identify which is the volunteer available nearby, and volunteer with the highest grading, he will be tasked to get into the action. So basically, this is the window where we are trying to this is the window which we are trying to provide, whereby the community can be tasked, number one. Number two, so that wherever we do not have the policeman, that gap can be fulfilled by community. And we are coming out with the community monetary compensation model. So whenever they are contributing, they would be in position to get some monetary benefit. There is one suggestion which has come from Divyans Bhatia. For the benefit, you may read it. Sagar, I will request you to kindly read the suggestion which has come from Divyans Bhatia.
Okay, sir. Sir, should I read it loud?
It is already available on the screen.
Yes, sir. I can see it, sir.
Yeah, it says that SOS feature, the team can add as a shortcut or widget to have easy access. Yes, SOS feature is a feature which will be, it will convey that you need, there's an emergency and your location will be conveyed. That is the instantaneously it will done. Then it will allow you to pass on the information. So there will be two kind of the information which will be flowing in.
So the suggestion made by Divyansh, we have already added that in our app.
Ek minute, just a minute.
Okay.
That information which you are directly capturing, it has to be protected with the hash value. And whatever the information is being uploaded, we will say it is unprotected information. So the evidence value of that information will be 0, because what you can upload any garbage which you want. So these two things will be of the different legal importance. Is it making sense? Okay. So first thing it has come that it is about basically security feature. These are the 3 security features, right? Now you are going for a particular community. Here you have said eve teasing, right? So eve teasing would be available when you are talking of the app where women, children, and girls, they are that app is dedicated to them. So then they can just press a button. It means there's a eve teasing, a SOS would be created, or that kind of the scenario would be created by just pressing on it. Then you have to basically discuss with I think your friends and find out what could be the situation where, why, what information you would like to give in case of the eve teasing, right? There could be 2 kind of situation. One where you want some legal action should be taken. Another could be कि no legal action is required, you just take the preventive action. For example, आपके गर्ल्स कॉलेज के बाहर कुछ पान ठेले वाले या और कोई इसी तरीके के लोग जो है ना जनरली अपनी दुकान या स्टॉल खोल लेते हैं, and some rowdy creature, they get accumulated, they get assembled, and they look for the opportunity where, why they can जो है look for some opportunity of eve teasing. Those details can come, right? There's some observation which is coming. I think Adhira, you may read. There's some input is coming from Ayushi Tripathi. She is inquiring: is the app compatible to all type of OS? Ayushi Tripathi.
Sir, all of the
Let me
questions.
tell you, it will not be compatible with the all kind of the First will be created for the Android, and then the second version will come from iOS. Because creation of the app for iOS, it requires little extra specialization. If my team is comfortable, they can simultaneously work for both. Otherwise, it will be dedicated only to the this. I will request the admin not to give the comment. Let this first it should come. Unless the comment is very, it is a value addition, then only the comment should come. Comment should not come for inquiry, because it is then somewhere distracting us from deliberation.
Sir, I am audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, as per the search suggestion, what we can do now, so you can download all the forms related to FIR and all the forms related to police, like how to do the fill the FIR and all kind of things. By the help of which we can reform our app, and properly we can justify whether it is properly working or not.
Pirveen, let's do this one. Let's let it go like a complaint in first version. Second version, we will take it to the FIR.
Oh,
yeah,
so
because that FIR would be little tricky issue. So even in complaint, we will have these features, putting the signature, this, that feature will be there. But we will be simplistic that we are just putting the complaint. In the next version, which we will be coming within 15 days, in that version, we will be then graduating it from complaint to proper FIR. It is making sense?
Yeah, it is making sense, right? So this is like alpha version, and beta version definitely we are going to launch very soon. Second thing, we wanted to reduce the difference between the common people and police. By that, if the police is not available, then what we can do, and the common people can make a rule of police and all kind of things. For that, the information should be justified, because maybe the garbage information can be put in the portal. For that, we have to add some security features, and we have to test whether the words are proper or not.
Don't worry about that. Basically, since they are being graded, so if they will be basically giving the garbage, their ranking will go down. and if we feel that they are absolutely useless person, they may be even pushed out of the community. If we will feel them they are irresponsible and their grading goes below a particular level, we can push them out from that volunteer and that racket, and then probably they will be bracketed. They are the irresponsible citizen, and probably they may be belonging to a criminal kind of a tendency people. So probably it will be giving that kind of the additional input to us, right? But I feel that in beginning, let's have the faith in people. When some garbage is coming, then at the same time, then we will have the features about that. Lost and found, etc. These are the general features which can go along with the reporting of crime, because let it be grouped in that category. So SOS, complaint, lost and found, that will go in that category. Now the second category, which is the observation, even when we are talking of say traffic challan, we want to make a community, each member of the community, all community app will be having this facility, and that will be grouped in the second tier of the safety. That is, we talked about the observation, and when we said positive observation and negative observation. Now that observation is somewhere a very clear-cut violation of law. Say for example, somebody is moving without helmet, right? Somebody is riding a vehicle which is not having a proper number plate, right? Now this is a illegal activity. This is what's challaning. So the person can capture. It will be again captured with the date and time and location stamp, right? Photo will go that way, then the signature and etc. will come, because then the person who is sending, he has become one of the very important witness, because if required, he will be testifying in court of law that he captured it, it was encrypted, and that kind of the backend system would be then creating. So you don't bother about that background system. We will be working on that separately, but the system then will be creating a certificate of integrity, certificate of admissibility, right? Those certificates would be created. Now, this is a big participation of community when it is observing a violation which comes under the category of challaning. Challaning is nothing but it is a compounding. Say if you put this much, give this much of the fees, then you will not be taken to the court. This is the called compounding या challaning, right? तो यदि आपने हेलमेट नहीं लगाया है तो हेलमेट ना लगाने का ये फाइन है. यदि आपने दूसरी बार हेलमेट नहीं लगाया तो इसका ये फाइन है. या आपका जो नंबर प्लेट खराब है तो ठीक नहीं है, एज पर द लीगल टेंडर नहीं है, तो लीगल नोटिफिकेशन नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट लीगल जो है ना फॉर्मेट विच हैज बीन गिवन फॉर द नंबर प्लेट. टू माई माइंड आई फील almost 99% जो है number plate, they are not meeting the notification of the government for the licensed number plate, and the penalty for the first violation is 2,000 rupees, and penalty for the second violation is 5,000 rupees, and there is a provision of 3-month imprisonment also. Now what I wish that let why we should be dependent on police. Let the community should capture this violation, and it will the system will identify your location. It will identify which person or which thana is the area of jurisdiction, and this information will be automatically pushed by the system through the citizen portal, and it will land on the desktop of the SHO. And SHO, by putting his signature, it will become a proper legally acceptable challan, and that legally acceptable challan, then system will identify the owner's detail from the database. For that we will be making use of the RTO database, and we will be making use of the LIC database, and we will push it to the challan will digitally will go to that person. And it says, this is the proof you have committed this offense, and you are challaned with the 2,000 rupees. There will be a payment link By clicking on the payment link, the money could be paid, and that money will go in the government treasury. Right? On successfully completion of the process, government treasury will give that 50% of the money as a reward money to that community volunteer. So if we want a very strong reward system to the community, so if as a student, if you presume that you have just stepped out from your home and you are going to your coaching center or you are going to your institute, and by doing so, you captured 4 violations and you earned 4,000 rupees, then probably you don't need any money from your parents. Probably you may not be requiring any money from even for your so you will be in position to support your education. Other people will be in position to support a lot of things. Say a normal worker, normal person, he works, he gets hardly 350 rupees or 500 rupees. Even the skilled workers, they are getting 500 rupees to 600 rupees. Now, for catching a single violation in a few seconds, you are earning 1,000 rupees. You can imagine what kind of the strong motivation it will bring, and it will push the community in a compliance module, and it will be generating huge money to the government, because 1,050% of money is going. Probably that money may be more than what is being created through the excise or something else. Is this point clear to you? So the traffic challan, which we are saying, this feature will be available in all community app, because even in America, when somebody is traveling, he will stop and he will say, "Hey, Mamu is waiting for you." That is a kind of a code word which is used in America for alerting that police is ahead. Reduce your speed, reduce your this, so that you should not commit any violation. What we want to convey to the public, to the nation, that we will be having 130 crore Mamu. Nothing could be hidden. No violation would be impossible in time to come. And it will be a very, very participative management, and it will be a huge monetary benefit will be flowing. And let the people do the violation. It will generate more money to the people. So investigation, the traffic challan we should have these features which I have said. Now the team has to say whether you have incorporated in this way, because our app would be generated the way I am conceiving. You cannot go the way it is already available somewhere and copy paste. No, it cannot be done that way. Is it clear? Saga and Adhira. Adhira, switch off. Your microphone is off. Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's clear. Sir,
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to discuss one thing.
Just a minute. Let me inquire whether your this app at present is having this meeting this requirement or not meeting this requirement.
So the one you talked about, the hash value, we are lacking in that point only. And so you discussed about that FIR thing where we have to take the digital signature of the person.
That should go with the complaint also. Let it
So
be
it should go with the
written,
complaint also. Yeah, right, sir.
Yeah.
So
This feature has to be incorporated in alpha version also, but proper FIR format, because then we will integrate the student of the law also. So they will give a help that all the features of crime should be covered. Number one, that artificial intelligence should help you to put the sections also. So we will not be dependent on the Thanedar to put the section. Artificial intelligence will put those sections. Then हमारे थानेदार का फिर इतना ही काम रह जाएगा कि वो सिग्नेचर करे, right? And the moment he put a signature, that will become FIR.
Okay, sir.
And backend engineer will come to support him in investigation, to fetching the evidences wherever they are sitting. So Thana Pravari or IO, they will be very powerful people, because दुनिया की पूरी शक्ति उनके पीछे लगी होगी to help them to capture evidences. whole community, 130 crore people, whole technology, and a powerful system. So with very little labor, they would be in position to capture majority of the evidences, and prosecution would be not only detection, but the conviction would be a certainty.
Yes, sir.
Now, these small things you have to always keep while designing your system. You have to convince me that your system is having these backend capabilities. Number one. Number two, your system has to do a lot of triggering at the backend at the system, because there are the various modules. Say, somewhere they say one module will be to identify identity of the vehicle who is driving, who's the owner or driving the vehicle, right? So a module will be working at the back end, which will identify in no time who is the owner of this vehicle. So it will get into the database of the RTO, will fetch the detail, then it will go into the database of the vehicle insurance, it will fetch the detail, it will match, and the latest detail will be pushed to the system, which will be available to the Thana Prabhari. The moment Thana Prabhari put the signature, Thana Prabhari need not to bother. System will fetch everything and will post it to the owner of the vehicle. That will become the channel, and it will put the payment link also. So he can make the payment by making use of his credit card, this, that. He need not to go to any Thana. It will be hassle free. The moment he make the payment, a digital receipt will be generated and which will lend to him. We have to be very cautious from very beginning that money must go in government treasury. Number two, there should not be fake thing or hacking in between. So it has to be protected with the blockchain technology. It may not be doable in the alpha version. So in beta version, we will try to, it should be protected with the blockchain technology. So no hanky-panky is permissible in between.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Now you can really demonstrate other features. We have already spoken about the Eve teasing. Whether Eve teasing is having those kind of the details, or it is a simple icon at present.
Sagar, you can take over.
Yes, sir. It's like a report you need to submit. So in the Eve teasing part, if you click on this,
what I will suggest is that on pressing Eve teasing, if the various kind of the situation could be precipitated just like a tab, it will help in conveying that by pressing another few buttons. Then the moment he will be pressing details, that will be going to the system. Probably he might take some time in writing something, so that as in when he or she will write something, that will go into the system at that stage. Is it making sense? So
Yes,
whatever you are pushing, that is immediately going to the system, and system at back end is looking and probably will be providing the police if police is available nearby. Otherwise, it will put the volunteer there. It will immediately look for whether there is any CCTV around, whether there is any IoT device around, and it will immediately press the requisition to him. Hey, I want this information. So
Sure,
it will be a very, very compatible. Lot many technology, lot many things will be working absolutely in tandem, and it will be having a full revenue generation. Imagine a situation that lot many IoT devices will be put by the triple T model, P model. So if that particular place is having that, say, higher degree of say violation, I think in a month, the whole cost of the tower or whatever IoT device we are putting, probably it will come back in a month's time, and in any case, it will come within a year in any case. So there will be very strong motivation of the community to participate in their own security. At present, we are too much dependent on police. Let's become the owner of our own security, and not only that, by contributing to the security, get the monetary benefit also. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. We'll make sure of
Okay.
that.
So now we can go icon by icon so that we can really deliberate on that. Sagar, please go on each icon, get into the icon, and then let me see that what exactly you are giving. I will say that instead of immediately seeking information, say if it is the same app which is being used, हम उसके शुरू में एक चीज दे सकते हैं, आर यू रिपोर्टिंग फॉर विक्टिम एज ए विक्टिम और यू आर रिपोर्टिंग एज ए फैसिलिटेटर.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Because
so we
if he
can
is reporting
surely
as
do
a
that.
victim, then name and everything he has already given to you. Why you want to write him name and everything time and again?
Sir,
You have
actually,
already taken his OTP. You have already taken his OTP. It means he is the same person, right?
yes,
Sagar,
sir.
just a second.
So that those things should be fetched and should be available over here. If by chance if he feels that कि उस मोबाइल को कोई दूसरा ऑपरेट कर रहा है, then he can edit his name. But if he is the same person, then from the system it will lookup will provide those details right available over there, and he or she need not to put those details over there. But if his mobile is being used by someone else, because OTP in that case it is coming on that same mobile, so he would be having the access to the OTP. But if he still feels that name is different, then he or she can edit his or her name, number one. Number two, when he is reporting about someone else, so then he will not be victim, then he will be facilitator. So then facilitator details will be separate and the victim detail will be separate.
So we have this inbuilt feature I would like to add here.
Have you understood this finer difference between
Yes, sir.
facilitator and victim?
Yes, sir. So that's what I'm explaining right now. Like we have this inbuilt feature. If the name entered by the person is same as the name he has entered in the starting, then it will be filed as a facilitator and like not as a victim.
Just a minute. Adhira, please listen to me. Can we make this observation in beginning whether he want to enter into the app in a capacity of the victim or a capacity of facilitator? तो हम शुरू में जब उसको हम एंट्री करा रहे हैं उसी समय उससे कहें कि you want to use this app at this moment of the time whether as a victim or as a facilitator.
Okay, so
Because victim में जो है उसका वो दूसरा वो रहेगा और उसका facilitator में उसका दूसरा वो रहेगा. My camera is saying that कि मुझे थोड़ा सा बैटरी लगाना होगी, तो I am just putting my battery. Administrator, please, एक मिनट, मैं आपको अपने आप को कैमरे को बाहर करता हूँ. Yeah. Whether you are together with this definition, because whatever we have discussed, this will be valid for all apps. So, since your presentation is number one presentation, hence I would not like to repeat these things time and again. All team members, they must observe it is on YouTube very carefully, because I am not going to repeat the same things time and again. Clear?
Yes,
So here we have made a fine difference that when you are just entering into the app is asking you to please signify or to indicate, do you want to use this app at the moment as a victim or as a facilitator? When you are moving into the app as a victim, it means something wrong has happened to you and you are reporting that. When you are going as a facilitator, it means your instrument is being used, someone else is victim, but you are facilitating the reporting, and that's why the person would be in position to help those people, those who may be illiterate, may be poor, and they may not be having a smartphone, but the facilitator will help to get his or her complaint reported with the same efficacy.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir. We'll make sure
Sagar,
of that.
is this point clear to you? This modification has to be done when we are entering into the app. At that point of the time, he has to indicate in what capacity he intend to enter into the app,
Okay, sir.
whether as a victim or as a facilitator. I am
Okay,
once
sir.
again, at the cost of repeating, I am repeating it, that the facilitator, he is reporting about other victim,
Yes, sir.
and then he has to take the signature of that victim. He will put his signature also for reporting his part of the thing, but his capacity will be, his signature would be there for as a facilitator, as a witness to the things, right? And a victim's signature has also been taken, victim's photo has also been to be taken, and victim digital signature has also to be taken, if even if a digital signature, if Aadhaar OTP is available. Otherwise it can go without, because Aadhaar OTP will not be a mandatory field, because we cannot deprive any citizen even if he is not having OTP. Crime has been committed with him, whether Aadhaar integration is available or not, he cannot be deprived of the legal help to the person. So digital signature is a additional layer, but it is not a mandatory layer, because we are taking suitable precaution, right, about the date and time and everything, look, stamp, and then we are taking the same precaution about when we are taking the photographs. Then we are taking the same precaution when we are putting the optical signature. And then fourth feature is digital signature. So there are 4 features which are being integrated to complete one work, that is the putting signature. So this signature would be much reliable than person putting signature right in Thana in front of SHU. Because he could be taken there. Here it is much more meaningful, because it is going right from the spot. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now you go ahead. So these features would be easy. Okay. Now what it says? It says the upload image of the offender. Here, it should have 2 options: capture image or upload image. Capture image it means you are capturing the image through the app, and that app would be in position to immediately put the date and time and location stamp, and we would be in position to protect it with the hash value. Wherever we cannot sure कि जो वो जानकारी दे रहा है by uploading from a file or from a gallery, we will say yes, this information is given by him. So this piece of evidence will be at little secondary level. Adira, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
I hope this point is clear, enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move ahead. We wish that for your presentation, we wish to take little more time, because we want that all the doubts should be about the app should be cleared and covered. And I request the other presenter, they then should not get it repeated. Rather, they can cover in their own briefing that this point has been noted and we will be complying with. So it will not take my time and my energy. Okay.
So this is for the, yes, sir. So this
Okay,
is for the.
please continue with your other icons so that I can comment on
Yes,
that also.
Sir, as you see in reporting, so there is a difference with my location also. So if you click on this location, so you can sir, find yourself in the app. As my GPS is getting some problems, sir, it's not showing my location at the moment, because sir, it's a mobile app and you need GPS for that. So you can also search any like location you want, and like click on, if I want to search like I live in North.
अपन उसको फालतू की चीजों से बॉदर ना करें. Please don't give any flash. We do not want to give additional identities and doing this that. उसको जो फालतू का काम करना है वो कहीं जाके करता रहे, ये हम फालतू की एडिशनलिटी नहीं देंगे unless, और हम देंगे तो कहीं दूसरी जगह देंगे. Are you getting my point? Unless you convince me, we will not put the information एक लेमैन को जितना चाहिए होता है, जितना आवश्यक है, which is purpose serving our legal purpose, only those features would be given over there. यदि हम और कुछ फैसिलिटी देना चाहते हैं तो they will go in other section, जहां हम उसकी नीड की बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. जैसे दूसरे सेक्शन में हम बात क्या करना चाहते हैं कि जो निस सेक्शन है उस सेक्शन के रिलेटेड हम उसको न्यूज फीड करें. जैसे मान लो आपने कहा कि आप जो है कंप्यूटर साइंस आईटी के बच्चे हैं, सो it will capture through the web scraping n number of information and will try to feed you that information. So how this community app could be more meaningful to you? यदि वो फार्मर है तो उसके बारे में मंडी के भाव क्या रहे, ये क्या रहे, वो जो है ना वेब स्क्रैपिंग के माध्यम से जाके वी विल ट्राई टू पुश इट. हमारा जो है स्पेशली आपका ऐप फार्मर्स के बारे में नहीं है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी कह देता हूँ, फार्मर ऐप वाला जो है ना वो ध्यान रखेगा. हमारी एक रिसर्च टीम इस काम को कर रही है. दे विल आइडेंटिफाई कि दैट हाउ मच लैंड शुड बी अलोकेटेड फॉर पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप. तो जितना ही कैन डिक्लेयर दैट कि सब मैं अपने इतने एरिया में ये क्रॉप बोना चाहता हूँ. द बैकएंड सिस्टम विल गो टू द स्टार्टअप एंड विल try to make available that seed, best variety seed, right to that farmer at his home. Depending upon the size of his field, another startup will provide the organic fertilizer, which is not really a fertilizer, it is more like an organic manure factory, which I have explained that it will be gobar, it will be earthworm, it will be microbe. That will be made available to that farmer right at his home. Then if he is having tractor और his tractor को हम जो है वो ऑनरशिप क्लब में ले जाएंगे, और यदि उसके पास ट्रैक्टर नहीं भी है तो हमारा एक स्टार्टअप जो है उससे पूछेगा कि आपको कब ट्रैक्टर की जरूरत है, एंड द ट्रैक्टर वुड बी अवेलेबल टू हिज प्लेस. जब उसका, और उससे कोई पेमेंट नहीं लिया जाएगा, किसी से कोई पेमेंट नहीं लिया जाएगा. पेमेंट विल बी टेकन व्हेन हिज क्रॉप विल बी sold, and then the same app would be facilitating that farmer to sell his proceed at the best commercial things, and uski transportation wala part will also be taken care by the app. We want to come with the community app with that kind of the power. We do not want to go with the community with a limited things. It should provide him all kind of the support, including if you want to do the reservation in train, by clicking through this app, the reservation of the train would be doable. At the back end, we'll be integrating with the anybody, and that that we can work out whether we would like directly through the IRCTC के through करना चाहेंगे, or we can do that way. Even we can do it directly through the IRTC as a other app has done. Probably that some commission may come to this Crime Free India mission. That will further जो है ना strengthen its financial position. So while the farmer or anybody, the community niche people, they would be in position to have all the things by making use of one app, and that app is coming from the government authority. That will be something very very meaningful. At present आपके मोबाइल में 2500 ऐप हैं. Why you should have the 2500 app? जो 2500 app, they may be a security threat to you. They might do some kind of the phishing. They might do a number kind of the things. At back end, we will try कि जो core needs हैं वो हमारा एक single app create करेगा. So this app is not only for the security. The app is for the information, and app for fulfilling all your niche need. जैसे हमने अभी फार्मर के बारे में बताया है, यदि जो है उसको मिल्क चाहिए तो वो मिल्क रिच इंडिया वाला जो है ना स्टार्टअप विल प्रोवाइड द मिल्क, वो भी अल्फा 2 वैरायटी का. थिंक ऑफ सिचुएशन, आपको हर चीज आपके घर पे मिल रही है, वो भी द बेस्ट क्वालिटी. वाओ, इज इट नॉट वाओ सागर?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Absolutely, sir.
Adhira, you are not visible. So I presume that you must understand with which mindset we are talking. Our
Yes, sir.
mindset is very, very important. We will provide everything to every niche people. We are not talking of the farmer alone. We are talking of the small businessman. We are talking of the tea stall wala. It means that's why we are creating so many small app, and then they will be integrated at the back end, so that each group who is making that app, he should be in position to appreciate what are the niche need, what is the information need, what is the and that need has to be from पूरा एंड टू एंड नीड. मतलब वो अकेला बोने के लिए नहीं, फसल के लिए नहीं, बिकने के लिए. ऑल काइंड ऑफ द हेल्प शुड बी अवेलेबल फॉर कम्युनिटी सेक्शन. आपका जो है ना which community, this community you are serving, you just please repeat that point once again.
Sir, it's for the girl, woman and child.
Correct. So now you have to, Adhira, being a girl, you should be in position to discuss with your friend and take out what could be your niche requirement. क्या आपकी लेडीज के रिलेटेड कोई ऐसी चीज है वो जो आपको जरूरत है? Why they should not be made available to you right at your place? Backend system will gonna make it possible.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sure. Yes, sir.
And we should assure that these kind of the faltu things should not go to the police. There should be between the system and between you, and a confidentiality should be maintained, so that the things of your requirement, if they could be made available right to you at right your place, and even if some financing is required, that is right available to at right your place, that will make your life quite wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So,
it makes the work easy too.
I would like to do some research on your need. Basically, you must be knowing your needs, and you can discuss with your friends also, and try to. I will be happy that if you can give a details that these are the niche needs and we would like to cater for, and whatever I have is explained about the farmers, that you can look in your cycle, and what we are saying कि आपको जो है ना, that should be made available at your right place. Say, example, if you are staying in hostel, right in hostel, that thing should be made available right to you, as it is being done by the Amazon. Backend, we might be having the dealing with the Amazon. That's no issue. But what I am saying, why you should have to have the n number of app, and
Yes, sir.
so the same app would be in position to provide you that kind of the help, that kind of the support, and the support is coming from the official app. That will make your life much more comfortable. You will be more confident, and all the time we have to take care of the welfare of this community. So we must make it sure he should get the best at the cheapest rate, and everywhere the grading will be maintained.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Make sure of that.
Yeah. So now I request you to you can show the other icon. Lost and found is a good thing. There's absolutely, I mean, it is part of that same feature. Yeah.
So
We have discussed about that photograph uploading and capturing directly from app. There will be two different kind of the things. Let there be two different icon, so that they will command the different legal status, right? Reservation, very good, right? But it will go. Yeah, reservation जो है, it may be for bus, it may be for train, and it may be for aeroplane. No issue, right? And rather you can make it 4. You can go for that vehicle also.
Okay, sir.
And
So
that vehicle will be coming from the ownership club. So there we have one startup for the ownership club of the vehicle.
Sir, at this moment, sir, these two icons are directing you to a web page. Sir, mainly this train is directing you to a IRCTC, and flight is directing you to Make My Trip. It's online on Chrome, so you can book your tickets from there. So it's at this moment it's not integrated in an app.
No, let me basically say, even if we are not in position to integrate, we will integrate as and when. I mean, or we will continue on this, but let it be the 4 option. Number 1, taxi or car or whatever. Number 2, buses. number 3 train, number 4 aeroplane. By
Okay,
doing so, आपने पूरा canvas cover कर लिया.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल, absolutely.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now move to the next icon.
Sir, it's a verification.
Location, reservation, verification of the
Aadhaar card, sir, mainly.
okay, verification of the Aadhaar card.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you click on this, sir, it's going to open a barcode scanner. So actually, sir, I'm presenting on laptop, so I cannot scan Aadhaar card at this moment. So when you scan the Aadhaar card, it's going to show all your information here, so that you can see what is the name of the person if it's not visible on the Aadhaar card. And you can take this phone. You don't need to take your Aadhaar card anywhere. If you want to save the information of your Aadhaar card here only, because you can leave your Aadhaar card at your home and just take this app with you. And you can show anyone who's asking for an Aadhaar card number, your information, or your name.
Great. So your identity, this will become your identity proof. Great. No issue.
Yeah, yes.
First class.
Sir, after then you already saw Eve teasing report. Sir, it's only like a report at this moment. We'll add everything you asked for after this presentation, sir. Sir, the traffic challan online is a web app. Sir, just wait.
No, not this way. Here, what I am treating, that it will not go any on Chrome, ROM, nothing. That will not happen.
Okay,
This
sir.
app itself will be doing the chalaning.
Okay, sir.
You have to redo it. Basically, you are the person who is observing the traffic violation, right?
Yes,
So, what you will be doing, either you will be taking the video or photograph, right? And
Yes,
that videograph or photograph should identify that what kind of the violation has taken place, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it has to be, as I said, the date and time and location stamp, encryption. Then we said that then as a witness, you can put the details, your details. You can put your observation. कि मैं यहाँ पे था, ऐसा था, वैसा था. That will become a kind of a statement from your side, and then your signature and everything will also go. Then it has to be routed to the desktop of the थाना प्रभारी. जो हमने पहले बताया वो वैसा होना है उसमें. Then उसके signature होने के बाद ही ये चालान बनेगा. Then backend system will take it back to the owner. और ऑनर के लिए वहाँ पे एक इंजन पीछे काम करेगा which will identify कि owners का जो है ना नंबर और डिटेल कैसे आएंगे. And then this चालान will be pushed along with the payment link to the violator. Here precaution has to be taken कि कोई दूसरा जो है ना इसी चीज को मिमिक करके किसी से अपने खाते में पैसे जमा ना करा ले. Right? Now that precaution has to be taken that this money must go to the bank and इसमें किसी तरीके का दूसरी बदमाशी संभव ना हो, right? So that authentication of the signature of the थाना प्रभारी और वो सब चीजें जो है that we have to design in a, I mean basically we can put a team to design those things so that they should convey complete detail and nobody should be in position to do any hanky-panky over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Your emergency list जो है that could be a good idea, but let it be listed along with the first provision because so that you can talk to even the person. और यहाँ emergency list में he should be in position to talk to even थानेदार or the person who is given the responsibility.
Yes,
right?
sir.
और जब सिस्टम उसको अलोकेट करेगा, जैसे जो करिए कि कम्युनिटी वॉलंटियर उसको अलोकेट हुआ, जस्ट एग्जांपल, यदि पुलिस नहीं अलोकेट हुआ तो उसका नंबर भी इस इमरजेंसी लिस्ट में प्रॉप अप हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
सो दिस इमरजेंसी लिस्ट विल बी ए डायनामिक. नंबर 1 कुछ नंबर जो है ना वो डेटाबेस से लिफ्ट करके ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे बेस्ड ऑन योर जियो लोकेशन एंड कुछ नंबर जो सिस्टम असाइन करेगा टास्क. तो जैसे जूम करिए कि उसने एक एएसआई राम सिंह को कोई टास्क दिया तो एएसआई राम सिंह का नंबर इसमें प्रॉप अप हो जाएगा. यदि अज्यूम करिए कि आसपास कोई पुलिस वाला नहीं है तो उसने पुलिस वाले के साथ साथ किसी बगल में जो वॉलंटियर है उसको असाइन किया ये टास्क, तो वॉलंटियर का नंबर भी यहाँ आ जाएगा. सो दैट टिल हिज अराइवल द पर्सन शुड बी इन पोजीशन टू टॉक टू whoever is assigned for response, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this point is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because this, देखिए, vision is very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
Is it over? Your presentation is over?
Sir, two more icons, sir. The SOS one, you can like press on this.
SOS.
I understood that. Next.
Sir, next is sir for sir
ये
this
आपका ये अपन ने बात कर लिया है. Yes, next.
sir this one, this thing. So this is also one thing. And sir, if you want to become a part of our team, so you can go here and like press on this team icon, so you can upload.
देखिए, there is no question of team. Let's understand कि they are having the three status. या तो वो ऑब्जर्वर हो सकते हैं. ऑब्जर्वर का मतलब है कि they are not interested in physical activity. तो एक बंदा जो है ना अपने चाय की दुकान पे बैठा है, वो देख के जो कुछ बता सकता है उतनी मदद आपकी कर देगा. But he is not ready to come on the street and work as a volunteer, right? We will honor his whatever his limitation, right? Number one. Number two, there's something called volunteer. Volunteer means he is ready to come and have a interface. He can come on the, basically he can go on the street. He can catch criminal. So that person would be having protection of the special police officer. He may be given some special training also to do the job. So these let's stick to these three criteria, these three things, not team. Either he is an observer, he is a volunteer, or a stakeholder. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Stakeholder means वो पहले दो काम भी ठीक ढंग से नहीं करना चाहता है, तो he is just a person representing from a community. तो वो अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए तो जिम्मेवार है ही. It means वो सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ नहीं करना चाहता है. वो जब उसके ऊपर कुछ गिर पड़ेगी तब वो थोड़ी बहुत मदद कर देगा. So that will be the three criteria. Either he is an observer, or volunteer, or a stakeholder. Is this clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
There is nothing like team.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So that's it for the app, sir. These are all the main features that we want to discuss.
Okay. Now, जो है ना, let administrators should bring all of you here so that I can talk to you and I can compliment you.
Sir, should I stop sharing?
Let जो है ना, now we people should be available on the screen rather than your, yeah, correct. So I would like to first of all compliment a very good job done by you people in such a limited time. Wonderful job has been done by you. I hope whatever I have explained, you have understood it properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now incorporate that. I hope you are feeling yourself confident of doing that.
Actually, sir,
Yes,
the
sir.
problem is, sir, the things you are saying, sir, it can be done, but sir, it will take some time. Sir, it will take a little.
No issue. Don't worry about the time. दुनिया में सब time इसी के लिए है. Ultimately, you are a student of the second year only. दुनिया में अच्छा काम करोगे तो इस दुनिया का पूरा time available है, right?
Okay, sir.
So what we said that we will be developing our alpha version by the 15th of June, right? Thereafter,
Yes.
the next 15 days would be available for alpha 2 version, next version or beta version. I don't know. Praveen, what do you say? Alpha, beta? What is the terminology you would like to use?
Sir, alpha is for initial.
I am
beta
saying
is
what
for
terminology
final.
you would like to use.
So beta version.
Beta.
Sir, alpha
Okay.
means
So
initial
the beta
and
version
beta is
can
for
come by
final.
the 30th of June. Is that a comfortable timing for you?
Okay.
So you will
Yes,
not
sir.
audible.
Don't worry about the timing. If required, additional time would be given, right?
Okay,
And
sir.
you will be getting the second certificate for beta version. So alpha version will be the one certificate, and for beta version you will be getting a second certificate and a second letter of appreciation for your. So that we want your CV should be heavy, right?
Thank you, sir.
I mean that's.
Thank you, sir.
So, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Praveen, would you like to add anything? Otherwise, we can close this session, and the next session is already in waiting. Allow them to.
Yeah,
come.
sir. Please start the next section, please. Because already all the
Mr.
solutions.
Sandeep, is there any observation from visitor gallery about anything? which you would like to put for comments of the group? Okay, it says Samarth Srivastav, adding a screen widget may cause accidental alert by the user. Okay, his input can be examined and then a team can take a call.
Okay, sir.
Any other observation? Okay, so I think with this, Praveen ji can make a concluding remark and then we can close this session immediately.
As far as my observation is concerned, right? So
I think Praveen ji is not in mood of making a comment. So
no, I
yes,
don't want to make a
close this
comment.
session.
Already they have done a good job actually.
Thank you.
And they are doing good. And even though in the beta version they also do more good job, so I am happy about the performance of the students. So what we can do, that's best of luck for all of you students. So I think the next batch is also waiting for us. So please join the next batch and you carry on for the beta version.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Can we leave the studio?
Sure, sir. Sure. Adira and Sagar, sure.